Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. What an amazing piece of machinery. 707 horsepower, 650 pounds of torque. And this is a car you can drive every day with the air conditioning on. You don't even have to turn a key to start it. You get a big fancy red button. Amazing. This one has 615 actual miles. It's practically a brand new car. We've got the window sticker right here. It's well optioned. I bought it from a Mopar collector. I bought 5 or 6 Mopars from him just recently. You see a Super Bird on our website. That car is from him, a Super B, and some others. He bought this brand new, only took it out a few times on nice days, had it stored in a dry, clean garage with carpet pads under the tires. I mean, it's practically a brand new car. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs, study all the pictures, and get the price. Not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars, and they're all for sale. If you enjoy our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Right now, let's go for a spin in a Hellcat. Yeah, just getting back to what I was saying, it's amazing the reliability of a new factory-built car with that kind of horsepower. You got the softest leather seats. You got a navigation system. I mean, it's just decked out with all the comforts, and it's got 707 horsepower. The original Hemis were 425 horsepower, and that was like crazy. It's a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi motor. Underneath the car is brand new, has all the stickers and assembly line markings, the original exhaust system, big fat pipes. It just looks like brand new. You can read the list of features. It has 3-mode suspension. You know, of course, it's got all this fancy stuff under there. Big, giant Brembo calipers. They're 6-piston calipers, front and back, I believe, with slotted rotors. The body is pristine, red. I don't know if it's just me, but I've had several orange ones, lots of black ones. I had a white one. I think this is the first red one that I recall seeing. I'm sure it's not that rare, but I really like it in the red. It's got 20-inch forged black wheels with Pirelli tires. The optional dual stripes, they're carbon stripes that go all the way over the car. He did add these louvers on the rear window. They were $1,000. He did add those to the car. It's got the coolest headlights I've ever seen. The middle one, you put your hand right through. They're called air catchers. I think that's where the air is fed into the engine. The other ones are high-intensity projector beams. They'll actually turn with the car. The gaps I'm noticing is really precise. And look at that gap on that door. They really tightened up the quality from the original Challengers. Power mirrors, has the optional power sunroof with the shade inside, of course. It's keyless entry. You got 2 key fobs. The black one's your valet key. If you leave it with the valet, he can only go so fast with the black one. The red one, that will give you all of its power. So inside the trunk's got a rear spoiler here. Inside the trunk, big, clean, empty trunk. The seats fold down for more room. And then I lift this up here. 2 Harmon Kardon subwoofers. The battery's located back here. And these days they give you an air compressor. They don't give you a spare anymore. Cool tail lights. Got the black racing style gas cap. Soft Laguna leather, it's called. Front and rear seats. The rear seats have bolsters. The front seats are heated. They're cooled. They have power lumbar both sides. This one's power adjustable. Heated leather power tilt-telescopic wheel. It's got a really cool instrument panel, and it's got a 7-inch display. 18 speakers. I don't know where you put 18 speakers in here, but they did it. And the motor compartment's 100% stock, nothing's been changed. SRT, supercharged Hemi, just immaculate. Chrysler hoses. I don't know what else to tell you, it's just a spotless motor compartment. It still has tags hanging in the car. It does have SRT floor mats. It's got all the literature, the books, manuals. It's all right here. Here's another tag still hanging here. The transmission, it's the 8-speed automatic transmission. That was a $3,000 option. It has paddle shifters, so that costs more than the manual transmission would. So why don't we fire it up? You can hear what a Hellcat sounds like. It's got cool pedals. It's got aluminum trim all over. It's got white stitching. Steering wheel controls, backup camera, navigation, satellite radio. If your eyes were closed, you'd think you're listening to a race car. And if you haven't heard already, they've completely canceled the SRT High Performance program. They're going to be spending their money on electric cars. So to think that these aren't going to become a lot more desirable because they're not going to be making them anymore, you might want to grab one while you can. Again, we're not talking about a $300,000 or even $1 million sports car. It's just a very affordable, but look what it has to offer. It still just baffles my mind that they even sell a car like this to the public. So anyway, go to volocars.com. You've got an investment grade car you can have a blast with right here. I gave you my impression of it. But on our website, plenty of ways to contact the salesman. They'll answer whatever questions you have. They'll make the financing, shipping, paperwork real easy for you at volocars.com. You enjoy our videos, I appreciate that. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one that we post. Thanks for watching.